Hi everybody, welcome back to the How Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you what option to enable when your Samsung service wants to repair your monitor remotely. At first go to the left to the control panel and here go down to settings. Go to all settings now and here scroll down to the support. And here we do have one simple option if they want to help you remotely. Open the remote management. Here click View Terms, and now click Accept and Close. I won't click that because I don't really need this option, but you have to click that and close. And here you have the description even of this option. Allow the Samsung call center to remotely access and troubleshoot your smart monitor when you need assistance. This service requires an internet connection and is available once you agree to the service agreement. So that's basically it. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye. Have a nice day.